mà là cái chẳng đỡ chạy nhor có đúng dit media cái chẳng có ngoan có phải wall kel karon kin dang rawu de jandang rawu de diech an mak bangut gok bây nong la kon la nong yin chang ka dung dit media ka tin to ka jinup Sudan ka na win mo na do den dung dit media wa leng mu ga ka tung nor min le ala ri chang ko yene ko do go ri leng nei tin ngor ka nei online ka dung dit media me mi ran jo ma la jak linge be like ka be share mu ye wallahi ka be share ba dung wan ba ka chup ba ne kon leng tung nor na me ba ja jaga bar kon tin nong ne ga dung dit media and wala ka chang wan ka pai wal kel dung dit media be nu analysis ka ga dang wan men nam ba ra jode bala ta ji luin ka president Salva Kiir me luin ka juba ka je bad me jen me yodwel wal ka United Arab Emirates mere oda bala ta ja kwani na tiang re kuma ka de me yela ne degrees ni na wo tene o ken jaga la re men do den bala disarmament red bell ndana cha tok bor ta ci wo ke ponang kende gu me jel ke je kene respond ndana ta ko bor ka ta lat ka exercise ke je mo wanden bala ta na nen kon ga governor ba panal state ni je kop dollar root ko wo ci ngak ke jub ci guru wa panal wa kwal ko tin ko der latin taro kan wana kon ban rajo den bano cholo ke nyin changa wala ne bu guru wo bana galin kelli ka ta ndan en wo ka ne redien president Salva Kiir ci luñ ko juba baat mi jawo ko dubbe me luñ jogo ara ling de grinde la tiang me na ko re kuma gade je ne me wo ko dubbe there was a speculation tulan ga jago wo me je no je en kan part of his family ne ri chobo jandang raw to jido ara ga nang ro da kel jawo ko dubbe so in a very short time ko ni ndang jok ci luñ ko juba me luñ ko jube te lar ko kin lar ga jago wonde ne ma be ga mo te ga ti gor jaga pet ti de ba are ba dak chung bol loy gwad jeli ke ci ta da ne ci we jaga dube so no that was the information we received ke early day ma jabeno ana nem tiang ci dagri ni jaga lat dagri ni tiang de lat kan ban ko re diente ko nga ja wojo ka nga ya no so maniam che tut kaw gara luak che nong ko position de ala advisor on security affairs che la chwal maduniel che wo so no one of the appointment tut kaw used to be in that position again position of wajetin ngwam che gwam che la chwale den lual che wo land secretary minister of petroleum che la chwale shulden mo po under secretary che nyogre appoint that is a reappointment che wo ni che nyogre appoint kan the same position che finance minister che wo kan mi wala ASEAN ding che la chwale Barnaba Bak ngai kon Barnaba Bak chul che nyogre appoint you was a former minister ka finance che nyog mo kwere appoint ka position cha gar mo la chwali ajing deng executive director ko office of the president che wo che James Denwall ngai kono wo je medan kan position mo che nyog mi kwere appoint as executive director ko office of the president che Minister of Presidential Affairs chola jongo maut che wo che garmula chola African no Monday che no la new minister jen do wol nyam ci ben che ka do dial yogalat as a recycling ko ka ne gari la ja kel medan che go watch because of any reason they won ke now jo lo jok and the very interesting position tut kaw men nan ku relate ka ta da ne ci waje jal ka dubbe ka lui de jok taban for the time da ne ta kan tut ka ngai kon connection tut ka o kam la gan Dubai he was the only person ko the Muslim mita ga knowledge about that Gulf country ka to dan so ya da kel ka ne to she said herself fakir she established ka time da ne la secure advisor Shikir je tage footprint ka Dubai ka United Arab Emirates chawda ngai ka family of sultanate ka kingdom che business do yagaran tin because of tutkau so bad me tutkau me yo che tage de localities kam da relationship den ka United Arab Emirates gur ko de tutkau de lu njok the establishment of the relationship there be biol nyok da kam de ndara go one by yolim go Dubai second by military equipment by jaga Dubai third by political support by jaga Dubai because Dubai will support America I mean will influence America kata na ndere so Sudan approach so those are the thing Turkey which I know now Chinese corner Turkey I receive here you get mixed reaction ne la chi man de kon te ngai ke ta yo na tut ka te kon te cha kam yo dia la yo no dia yo man la ko yo ngo ka ko all this thing aka ne rau ti ang de nen kon ga te ya bul kap ka manga ten nin ga mrau ke so tu mo kuire jari yo lu njok yo de kon de ga tut ka ko rundang wol chi ko lu njok ba yo ja and that is not the case today. So if you look into the economic of South Sudan today, they just you the corner jam to tell again. One oil tele, yan why you lim was exhausted. Get time to go, you will have a limb you talk. Then when you want me long now, limb today. Malay cham me quill lim you want okay, Chimalia call up. So ne dia wo yo tut ka me benedong ma jal kel yo map you will be there like madud biar madud I mean madud nyel medane te tin ge kor permit reality ke kor una na me nothing has changed ku di jorum ku nyan kir jorum ku en situation na ne ku tut ka pebe ja kan siegen economic to collapse so ne ko no ge ko ne yes me tut ka benedong maybe mal dong de te ti kwa remedy ka mal ti na lo mal no mal jo kolap kan ta de te be de form ta de lo mo kwa de form ran gulu ne ka de baba gulu ne ka to negotiate peace agreement again as a new peace agreement Turkey will never succeed in that chebulong so taro katina lurun Turkey but we cannot talk a lot ko ngai kon e ti dia le recycling ti ta na lat kon so ko ben go ba Turkey ya kwanyo what is the problem with bull mel now kana kana okay no kon ya kwan bull mel ngu jitino so do dia wa jodien na roi kon chang ko dung din media kana ko lo ken jo kana do bull mel si ji gwal fel pokiro de ko ba kam ko this time they were using him for scapegoat ko ba ko blame you know be in bull mel you gal care be whatever position there nobody touch them up to now si ko ya plan wo ba kame direct like this la ne ga ni chang to dia la to man position ko ne kir ngoro ko bull up to the end so no ta assignment le bala ntame sana galen kan all the rumors kon lat rodian ko pan ci ko chum na ga bull was trying to block the degree. Then logo, right degree, the Chalgapan. Logo office of the president, the executive director. Ramanana Quilo connect the president, Elanike. Work a medan because of his influence. Stretch all joke out of his influence. Lawyer Ram. Logo Turka was secure advice. Lawyer. Logo minister. Ko presidential affair ala Africano Monday low commander of Tiger which are appointed without his knowledge. Self-care. Iran which are appointed medan kapode. Now Yarama Wuch without his consent. Yaradian no without his consent. Tadi alapan jakur no kan ke degree actual capital self-care. Chico all thin up to today. More than all. So Mulu reflect and bullmel, you will fight for this position. You take it. Unless you fight for it, may succeed, okay. That will be another process. Kaje. No. Medan ne chiro lat ke degree abala de kwar self-care. Plus one the reason enyaga tutka wono is to build the relationship come Arab world, come the kwar, nikir kana family. So it is now a family question, not national issue. Plus, you the corner deal when it Rautiang take away a dong to cow, but you know no edan. It's not the same situation. You know, Sudan, you pay you no oil. And by the way, politics of Sudan is already changed. Turkey will be very close to Imiti. That will not make him friend to Sudan. Tibukor Sudan and me, Bangorgamu Wega, the Siazas Sudan can Sudan, Bangorgami, Queditorate. Turkey will not be able to do anything. So, no, I just write down at corner gata appointment. Dung Turkey, ka security passed, kind of connection the cable mail. Connection we don't Korea mention about his relationship and self-care. So, Manodian the issue of Red Bell disarmament. Now I can't change about Red Bell. Red Bell, she bore a poem without knowledge of Red Bell at the end of it. Medan Chero Tokoro as a gang group. Yeah, which your gang group they long they organize, they support it. Can the Aratian Martin yo, Nico moral support, Nico material support, they are supporting it. They condial. So now you no point go attention, you know, come Jana come work and your bargazel, which is a very sharp tension that we are seeing today. So money stay chuptin. Money go to Paul Nangian. Bor for the purpose of Bor La Red Bell Bad's arm. So we are hearing about the operation La Bor. Up to now, tell me the Jagbor. Could Bor they prepare themselves for that event. They know what will happen. She did bomb, they did much bador. She did wrong, the corner or long to a year. Kabun, Kare toy. So when Paul Nang is in war, trying to let disarmament, but tell them to be just war. Because you tell Red Bell me a war, they are there, but Chikorodian bar, Charodian wood. So we do now a question of war as we see them online. We're going to opposition again. Red Bell is a community depend. He been in the Siasi and Ken Balan go around target, like in all the board right Kenino are still supporting the Red Bell. So when you and Emma Lara we are already let me Michabu long again. Chad is arm and Chabagang again. Kicha Red Bell be support code in Kume with that objective they have, code that is a defense and that can. So you get a dar. We are seeing Argajago and Ebor who are able to disarm the Murleben, the Kwakabanang. Yesterday they are talking about it. Who we watch Murleni, Benaka Pakwa. Pakwa were middle of the Boton. Can a Tibet yet got out of police board. Chao Nang Pinpan Murle. Those are a time of complication. If that is true. It's normal. Go to Jago and Banangajago disarmament will continue in more. Because those difficulties, as we mentioned, go Chikarabar, Takarabador, tang ken ji bar yiri mulo no ka kai chan lat ko ken kana plan it will continues men odien right ko wona ne governor of Panal state ni dollar what dollar cha kwai ni go nen kono ne dial te kwai ya kel chi wo mutap ken dar in their offices here in Juba kan walayat lakin kaje is still in Juba is in Pritak that talk a meeting, the community meeting, consultative meeting with leaders of Upper Nile State and all this, which is not true. The true was Alajawa Makal. Could we remember dollar che permit no one agalat time and a patkaje? To go with the bow and look at Nather. That people of Nather can Panalo Ken are waiting for him to go and do it. A Manania Walla is still in Juba. Reason called the Kel Litin Tejaga Juba. Kel Lejerwayla ne Kugan a spearing of the environment. Kulat Beo Tokung, Kamakal, Beto Ray Makal, Kibio Tokanather. Dale. And go take a native disgruntled politician to the kind. To take a Juba. To Nanga with it. Wrong advice. Why use other connection device? Ko governor to access can a politician banang one. That means to compensate for individual like Lolgar Kot, like Nat, you go contain So now Changak is in Juba. We can talk about it. The reason why up to now Machi governor, Machawaka Makal. Plus, Kuma self care unpredictable. You got Canadian college appoint a Kumagade. It may happen today in a governor Rundi Bak in a governor. In which more dollar what an Indian current Juba. Guamia jaw, my word the Kana Makal Kenan. So that we need to encourage him to Yanega content the care, you Yawaka Makal, Baladabeoto. Otherwise, it's failing, and what I can let Ken control. So, no, Amanan and Larode, Kukuja Apanal state governor. In summary, Tan like a Kennedy Alokonia Quinye, Kuji Quar, Lunjok, the Lunjogo, the Green Yagabalat, the Rinica connection in. Ke situation na ante wini wen yemi ja roy ke quick ball mel kan te ko ken plan red belt disarmament ko young ball ala ko kan plan now baga disarm and nothing they will do plus wo governor ni dollar ala Panal state governor che stuck ke jube che goro go waka Panal state cherendi ala kono ya kwen tin chin ball ka lack of decision kaje to go to Makal. So Kona to the Aldokan con and Chaco reflects for today. Tin Chol go back bar con dungdi media, Malawijik, Kadego Ken, Tin Boot walk, what young yo, Ushukran.